Yo, I can teach you how to do makeup, but Pride Month is here. So I'm going to teach you how to do Pride Month makeup. Let's get it. So first, you are going to want to have two, this is a really easy one. So I want two brushes. An eyeshadow brush, or at least this is what I'm going to use for an eyeshadow brush, and a brush that kind of looks like this. They're gross. So first you're going to want to take some eyeshadow primer and take your slanted brush and put that on the following places. Your eyebrows, your eyelids, and then your lips. I have a mirror behind me, so if it looks like I'm literally just staring into the camera, I'm just looking at the mirror, I swear. Okay. Next, I'm gonna use this unnamed sketchy makeup palette with red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. They don't have orange. Need orange. But anyway, we're gonna take our eyeshadow brush. And then we're gonna start off with red. My red isn't really that noticeable. It's more of a light pink. But I swear I'm putting it on. So, I'm gonna start in the corner of your eye. Not too much because you have to put other colors there. Then yellow. Kind of blend it a little bit. You're gonna take some green next. Pause the video if you need to. Red, yellow, green. And you're gonna take your blue. I'm not washing my brushes in between, that's too much time. And then your blue right there. Kind of blend it with your finger. And you're gonna kind of dust it off if you need. And then the purple. At the very end. Kind of in a way like winging it out a little bit. Then you're gonna blend it kind of with your finger. Oh my god. And then it's gonna look like that. If you need to touch up your wings, do it. I'm gonna do this on my other eye. So BRB. Oops. So I cleaned my brush. That's embarrassing. I cleaned my brush. And now we're gonna take the red. All you really need are the rainbow colors. You don't need this palette, just like, yeah. So you're gonna put the red on the inside of your lip, both sides. Can't really see it too well, but like, oh well. Then you're gonna put yellow right here, then green, and then blue, and then purple right down the middle. That's self-explanatory, but like, okay. Next, you're gonna put your yellow. Yes, you're gonna feel like that there's not gonna be enough space, but there's gonna be enough. You have to overlap a little bit to get that blend. Almost there. Next, you're gonna take your blue. And your purple. Orange isn't really needed in this. If you get some on your chin, just wipe it off. Then kind of go like this. And it's gonna look like this. Okay. Pretty. Next, you're gonna want to clean your brush again. Okay, I cleaned my brush. Next up, you can choose any color. Like, for me, right now, I'm gonna choose purple. You can choose any two colors. So I'm gonna do purple and green, because I like that color combo. And then, this is what you're gonna do with that. You're gonna take the darkest color on your eye, in the inside of your eyebrows, the thick part right here. You're gonna do that on both sides. I try and make them even with your eyebrows. Then the next side, on the other side, the other parts we didn't do, you aren't gonna do your full eyebrow, just half of it. And then you're gonna do your other color, which I'm doing green. Then you're kind of blend it like that. Or you can just try and do like rainbow lips, rainbow eyes, and then rainbow eyebrows. Not a lot of people I know do their eyebrows, but I do. I mean, like, not like outlining them with like a natural color, but I like a lot of color. There you go. And then you're gonna wash your brush and then put it away, or dry it off and then put it away. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful. Bye.